Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix CapCut subtitles not showing on your videos. So in here, I've already on my projects right here. So as you guys can see here, my videos has captions on it, but when I play the
You know what? I've lost my sense of taste lately. Really? What have you been eating? This morning I was eating my favorite.
What you need to do to fix it, first you can go back to the home page. So you can close the project first, click on the X icon at the top right corner, then go back to your projects again. So in here, what you need to do is just click on this eye icon that turns to blue in the caption. So it might be that you accidentally tap on this eye icon and hide the caption. So you can see the caption is not currently showing on the clip. So if you click on this, and after that,
You know what? I've lost my sense of taste lately. Really? What have you been eating?
I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the